Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix you need a media feature pack the moment you have access to your camera here in your Windows or computer. So without any further ado, let's begin. The very first step is here at the start icon. You need to do a right click, scroll up and go with settings. Okay. So once you're here at the settings, directly proceed to the system next to home at the left side of your screen. Click on it. And here you need to scroll down and look for optional features. Okay, click on it. The moment you've click on it, you need to go with add an optional feature. Click on view features. And here you need to search for media feature. So the moment you've typed that, you would be able to see a result here containing the media feature. Just have to install that. In my case, I don't have such, okay? But in your case, if you have, just have to click on it and then install that in your device. Okay? It will not take some time. It would depends on the network connection that you are currently connecting with. Or let's say if you don't have that option, just have to scroll down and there you can see more Windows features. Just have to click this arrow icon and then here you need to select media features. Okay, make sure it is being checked and then click on OK. So the moment you've clicked on it, you would be able to install the media features here in your Windows. Okay, just have to continue. In my case, I am not being redirected, but in your case, if you are, then go with the installation. Again, install the media features and there you have that. Just have to restart your computer and check if your problem has been fixed. Okay, so if you think this video helps, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.